Hey guys, so as you all know, your girl is a content creator on the YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't already. But I am trying to become an overall social media influencer, so I've been working on putting out content on all platforms. Being a mom vlogger or just a content creator in general is a lot of work. You gotta have the right lighting, make sure all of your angles are right, and have a clear background. There are so many gadgets from the tripod to the ring light, and you just never know which one will work for you. And they tend to be pretty pricey, so you don't want to go out buying things that you don't need or don't even know how to use. So I'm here to share one of my little secrets. So huge shout out to Hoheem for sponsoring today's video and making content creating just a little bit easier. I've been using the iSTEADY V3 to film a couple of my TikToks and put this tripod to the test. From the looks of it, it does look a little complex, but when I show you how to use it, you're gonna be working like a pro. And it's honestly pretty simple. You do power it on from the side and it has a 10-hour battery life. It can be used as a selfie stick or a tripod. The prongs are hidden at the bottom. You just pull them out and adjust. I just love that it's so compact. When you're done, you just fold everything up and it makes it convenient to transport. Equipped with versatile shooting modes, so you can record in landscape or portrait. As you can see, the dial at the top of the remote helps control your shooting angles. So when you move the dial up and down, so does your camera. When you click the mode button, you can select what option you would like. The top, your tripod will only move left to right. The middle is up, right, down, and to the side. And then the last one is a 360 angle, which is super cool. When I said no more adjusting tripods and finding camera angles, I meant it. This iSTEADY V3 is equipped with advanced AI tracking technology. If you wanted to track your moves, you show it the OK sign, and when you want it to stop, you put your palm to the camera. By the way, the remote and the light is detachable. If you want to turn the light on or off, you hold down the switch on the side. It comes with 10 different lighting levels, and to adjust, you just scroll up and down. When you click the red button at the bottom of the remote, it starts recording. When you double click it, it switches to photo, and when you triple click it, it turns to the back camera. Isn't that cool? And like I mentioned, the remote is detachable, so you can do all of this away from your phone. You can also download the Hoheem app. Once you Bluetooth connect your tripod, you can film and edit. Now, it just so happened that I actually had a sponsorship TikTok to film, so I can show you this tripod in action. The iSTEADY V3 is perfect for solo content creators like myself, so I'm no longer worrying if I'm in frame or if I got the shot. Hoheem's iSTEADY V3 is an all-in-one smartphone gimbal, built-in tripod, power bank, and extension rod. With an all-day battery life, it's portable and foldable. Basically provides everything you need on a smartphone gimbal. So if you're interested in becoming a content creator but you don't know where to start, not trying to spend loads of money on all these products that you don't need or don't even work, just need something easy and efficient to jumpstart your content creating, be sure to click the link in my description and shop Hoheem's iSTEADY V3 tripod. I promise you won't regret it, and it's definitely influencer approved. It's also newly released, so you'll be one of the first few people to use it and jumpstart your content creating. I love it, and I'm pretty sure you will too once you see how easy it makes your new or growing influencer life. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. They'll be on the screen and in the description box. Be sure to follow me on my TikTok if you want to see how the clips using the iSTEADY V3 came out. Don't be afraid to click the link in my description box and let Hoheem know I sent you.